A federal judge says a Texas florist charged in connection with the Capitol insurrection will be allowed to go to Mexico on vacation later this month. Jenny Cudd was indicted by a grand jury on 5 counts, including disorderly conduct in the Capitol building. This is her live streaming during the riot.
I was here today on January 6th when the new revolution started at the Capitol. So yeah, I'm proud of everything that I was a part of today. And I'll be proud of everything that I'm a part of at the next one.
No, she wrote the judge saying that she had a 4-day retreat to Mexico that had already been planned. And the judge deemed her not to be a flight risk and also noted the Justice Department didn't oppose her request. But the decision has raised the ire of many, and that includes Eliza Orlins, who is a New York City public defender who is also a candidate for Manhattan District Attorney. She tweeted this out, quote, "Her 4-day trip to Mexico for her work-related bonding retreat was granted. My teenage client remained rear-cuffed at his dad's funeral. I know I sound like a broken record, but I'm not going to stop. 2 systems of justice." And Ms. Orlins is joining me now to talk about this. This clearly hit a nerve with you. You clearly feel that there is a double standard. And look, this is something that we've heard so many people say as they're looking at folks getting released who are involved in the riot. What just really upset you about this?
Well, Brianna, thanks for having me. I'm so happy to be here with you today. And yes, as you said, I'm a public defender. I've spent my entire career as a public defender, and I've seen the way in which our criminal legal system routinely disproportionately affects people of color and low-income folks and just holds them in jail, for things as little as stealing a Snickers bar from a grocery store or, a pint of ice cream. And meanwhile, people who participated in this insurrection are being allowed to be released without any conditions, without any bail or bond, or if it is, it's been much lower than the things that my clients have experienced over the years. And so I've been calling out this injustice, and it's why I'm running for Manhattan District Attorney.
A short time ago, a federal judge in Seattle decided that, and this was just today, that a Proud Boys leader, Ethan Nordine, should be released pending trial, even after federal prosecutors warned that he could coordinate with the Proud Boys for another attack on the federal government. He is someone who is accused of committing serious property damage in the Capitol Hill attack. What is your reaction to that ruling? And also, just give us a sense of what you think in a case like this. And a lot of these cases are misdemeanors. What you think would happen to some of the clients that you have if they were exactly in this situation?
Well, I can tell you what would happen to my clients when they're charged with misdemeanors. They, get held in on bail that they can't afford. They lose their homes. They lose their jobs. They lose their children to foster care, even just for low-level minor offenses. And that's not keeping us safe. So my argument in calling out these injustices is not saying that we should be incarcerating everyone. It's just saying that folks like my clients that I've, had as a public defender should not be getting any different treatment than those who are predominantly white. This system, the racial disparities that exist within the system are so unjust and really perpetuate these 2 systems of justice. And as Manhattan District Attorney, I want to end that.
Eliza, thank you so much for being with us. Eliza Orlins, we appreciate you coming on.
Thank you so much. If people want to find out more, they can check us out at elizaorlins.com. Thanks for having us.
All right. Thank you.